1. She to go to school every day. Correct answer is A, goes. 2. They to visit their grandparents last weekend. Correct answer is B, visited. 3. He usually to watch TV in the evening. Correct answer is B, watches. 4. We to have dinner at 7 p.m. last night. Correct answer is B, had. 5. I to read a book right now. Correct answer is B, read. 6. They to play football every Saturday. Correct answer is B, play. 7. She to write a letter yesterday. Correct answer is D, wrote. 8. He to be happy when he heard the news. Correct answer is C, was. 9. I always to eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Correct answer is B, eat. 10. You to buy a new car last month. Correct answer is D, bought. 11. She to go to the gym every morning. Correct answer is B, goes. 12. They to find their keys yesterday. Correct answer is B, found. 13. We to live in Paris last year. Correct answer is C, lived. 14. He to do his homework every day. Correct answer is C, does. 15. I to see him at the party last night. Correct answer is C, saw. 16. They to like ice cream. Correct answer is A, like. 17. She to study English for 3 years. Correct answer is C, studied. 18. We often to visit our friends. Correct answer is A. Visit. 19. He to call me yesterday. Correct answer is C. Called. 20. I to drink coffee every morning. Correct answer is B. Drink.